You are on the New York's finest, Mountain Creek Cash Cab!
I'm a genius.
Yeah. And oh! He's talking smack. Okay. Tough Guy McFly over here. All right, so we'll start it off then. Okay, we'll start with something easy. Where's the world's biggest pyramid? Wrong. Want to guess again?
Where?
Mexico.
Really?
Ah, yes, the world's largest pyramid is actually in Mexico. It's one of the Mayan pyramids. All right. Who is America named for?
America the Boucher.
Oh! Get it up! Oh, here. Okay, come on, one more. High fives all around. There we go. Okay, my man, guess what? You just won yourself. Look at that. You got a free hot chocolate. That's from the coffee shop right across the bridge.
Listen,
there you go.
Date,
oh, look at
right?
that. See, that's not bad. Take on a date, get you out, get you free hot chocolate. Not bad, right?
Nothing's too good
Okay. All right. Oh, okay. What is the most spoken language in the entire world? Huh? How about you, bro?
Spoken language.
What's the most spoken language?
1 second.
Oh, he's calling in. He's got a lifeline. He's got a lifeline. Most? Yeah! Get it up. Up top. High
Two hot
five.
chocolates.
Oh, no, hang on. We'll dip in the other pocket. Let's see what we got here.
This means it's on channel 10.
Let's see what we got. Ooh, what do we got? Oh, free hot chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you both got one. Now you got a nice date. Okay, next question. What do we got? All right. Okay, what is the only vegetable that is also a flower?
Wow.
I'll give you a hint. Chopping. You know the Saturday Night Live skit with Eddie Murphy? Chopping
Broccoli.
Oh! Get it up. One more, come on. Oh, don't leave me hanging, bro. Okay.
Broccoli, I think.
Chopping broccoli. Okay, let's see. We flip it up here. Oh, free hot coffee. Bro, he is a genius. He's scooping them all, man. He's scooping them all.
You want a hot chocolate?
He's scooping them all. Okay. Here we
Got a
go.
bunch of them. You don't even need them.
Give me one of the funny nicknames of the old Action Park.
I don't even think I was alive yet.
Huh?
I don't even think I was alive yet.
Funny Nick.
Yeah, people used to refer to it as, instead of Action Park, there were funny nicknames like
Yeah,
Accident
10-4. Do you want me to call when I get to the top of the
Right. Okay. It's more of a local one. But actually, it's really more the out-of-towners used to make fun of the spot. Okay. What is the only letter of the alphabet not to appear in the name of any U.S. state?
Make the call, Sean. Don't worry about it.
Go ahead, give it again.
Maybe X.
Q.
Oh, my man! The genius strikes again! Get it up! Get it up! Oh! Okay, man, you know what? Thank you for playing.
Thanks.
On the Catch Cab!
Yeah.
One more time, high fives, get them up! High fives all around, all right.
Like 750.